Ven Pongal or Kara Pongal is one of the healthiest breakfast recipes of South Indian cuisine. Not only for breakfast, this savory pongal is one of the Naivedyams offered for Lord Balaji in Tirupati and many other temples as well.
Hi everyone, how are you all? Hope you're all doing great. Namaskaram, welcome back to my channel. This is your Shri. Very happy and a blissful year 2021 to you all. So in today's video, I am going to share a restaurant style, Ven Pongal or Kara Pongal recipe. How this is been made by me, I'll just tell you the story. Whenever I used to, try this Pongal in Chennai restaurants or the famous restaurants, the taste is really delicious. And I really wonder how deliciously this is made, what exactly, because this looks very simple, but when we try the same thing at home, that taste, like that restaurant taste or was missing. So what I did, I used to try this. I have tried this again and again, and finally I found out the trick, because I ate this so many times in the restaurant, and I finally found out how this has been made in the restaurants. So after trying so many times, finally I could make a perfect restaurant style pongal recipe. My husband and my son never miss that Chennai wala restaurant style pongal. This pongal is served with coconut chutney and sambar. This really tastes delicious. So without taking much of your time, I just wanted to show you all this authentic pongal recipe. Let's get started.
Take 1 cup of raw rice, preferably it has to be kolam rice, and half cup of yellow moong dal or pasi paruppu. Wash it thoroughly with water and add it into the cooker. Now add 5 cups of water. In this, we have to add 1.5 teaspoon of salt. Give it a good stir. Now close the lid and let's cook this for 2 whistles. Now let's open the lid and see whether the pongal is cooked properly. Actually, in 2 whistles the pongal is cooked perfectly. Keep this aside and let's make tadka for the pongal. Heat a pan or kadai. I told you about the trick. This is the trick. We have to use ghee and oil for tadka or talipu to get that restaurant style taste. So for that, I have taken 1/4 cup of ghee, and half of that is sunflower oil, refined sunflower oil. Use only sunflower oil, otherwise this taste will not be good. If you wanted to use only ghee, you can use ghee, but then the perfect restaurant style, if you wanted to get, this is the only way we have to use. And that's why this looks a little heavier side. That's why I prepare only once in a month. Once the ghee is melted, I have taken 1.5 teaspoon of jeera. You can adjust according to your taste, because jeera has to be little more, only then the taste will be very good. And half a teaspoon of pepper, and 10 to 15 cashews. If you want, you can add more cashews or you can add less cashews. It's completely your personal choice. Keep the flame always low, because these things has to get properly fried, not to get burnt. See, now the cashews have become golden brown in color. We have to add asafoetida, half a teaspoon of asafoetida, some curry leaves, and some ginger. Ginger, I have taken 1 inch of ginger and some coriander leaves. Saute for just few seconds. See, now it is done. Now good to go. Just add this tadka to the pongal. Now, mixing this pongal is the trickiest thing. Don't mix too, quickly, or otherwise it will become too mushy. So, mix very slowly and gently so that you will get that perfect consistency and perfect taste. Wow, look at this. This is the perfect consistency which we get it, in the restaurants in Chennai. It's ready to be served. Today I have served this with pudina chutney because I made it as a prasadam for Balaji. So that's why I have not prepared any sambar and coconut chutney. Otherwise, this goes very well with coconut chutney and sambar.
So, how is this? Looks simple. Try this recipe at home and enjoy it with coconut chutney and sambar. Very soon, I'll be sharing, authentic sambar recipe also with you all. I'm not getting time to, post so many videos in, one go. So weekly once I'm able to do, and this new year I have taken break. I have gone for vacation and all. That's why I couldn't post last week video. So here it is. If any doubts, please put it in the comment section. I would very happy to respond to your queries. Also, if you really like my channel and it is worth sharing, please share with your friends, like the videos, and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day. Take care and bye.